Crunchyroll Login. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing how we can log into Crunchyroll, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can log into Crunchyroll on your TV, on the website which is crunchyroll.com, or you can also choose to log in using the Crunchyroll app available for both iOS and Android. Once you've done that, just go ahead and launch the Crunchyroll application over here. Now if you don't already have an account, you can tap on the create account option right at the very bottom. Assuming you already do have an account, then you can tap the login option here. All you have to do is just make sure to enter the email address as well as also the password that is associated with your Crunchyroll account, and once you have done that, you can tap the login option. Now if you happen to forget your password, just in case, you can tap the forgot password option in order to reset it as well. This way you'll be able to log into Crunchyroll. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.